What if I told you that in 2026, the best marketers will not just use AI for writing captions or images? They will harness AI to build a complete marketing engine. Imagine brainstorming, research, creative production, automation, personalization, and reporting, all powered by AI. This shift means no more using one tool for one tiny task. The new approach is integrating the right AI tools to speed up the journey from idea to campaign execution. In this video, we'll explore the top AI marketing tools in 2026. These aren't just flashy tools, but those that truly matter for speed, scale, and effective marketing execution. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. If you still think of ChatGPT as merely a chatbot, you are way behind. OpenAI now positions ChatGPT as essential for planning campaigns, generating content, and analyzing performance. This makes it one of the most flexible tools available. You can generate campaign angles, turn messy notes into clean briefs, or summarize performance data with ease. Rather than replacing marketers, it eliminates the dreaded blank page syndrome. It provides a fast first draft, leading to efficient idea development. Next, we have Jasper. Jasper is a marketing-focused platform designed for teams handling sizable content operations. It offers features for campaign execution, brand control, and personalization. Jasper ensures that your content remains consistent, usable, and on-brand. Think of ChatGPT as your adaptable partner and Jasper as your brand-governed production machine. This distinction is crucial for teams creating high volumes of content without losing their voice. Moving on, let's talk about Canva Magic Studio, another significant player. Marketing relies heavily on visuals. Canva has evolved beyond simple design to an AI-powered suite that helps teams with everything from brainstorming to finished outputs. Need social media posts? You bet. Need ad creatives? Done quickly. Canva speeds up the whole visual production process, making it ideal for marketers who aren't full-time designers. Now, let's discuss HubSpot Breeze. This tool amplifies operational efficiency. Breeze automates tasks, aids in content creation, and utilizes data for strategic analysis, helping marketers sync with their CRM and workflows. Unlike tools that focus strictly on content generation, Breeze operates within your business context, aiding in a much stronger execution strategy. Next up is Zapier, a game changer for those battling chaos. Zapier connects more than 8,000 apps and automates workflows to reduce human error. Most marketing teams juggle numerous tools, and Zapier helps bring them together seamlessly. From automating lead routing to campaign reporting, Zapier enhances efficiency across disjointed systems, allowing teams to focus on strategic objectives rather than administrative chaos. Now, let's discuss Adobe Firefly. Positioned as a generative AI toolset, Firefly focuses on creating usable and brand-safe visuals. Marketers need high-quality visuals that are ready for deployment, and Firefly meets this demand. For teams involved in producing ad creatives or campaign visuals, Firefly adds significant value by ensuring creative generation fits within a professional framework. Lastly, we have SEMrush Ads Launch Assistant. This tool streamlines advertisement campaign management across platforms like Google and Meta. Performance marketers looking for efficient ad execution will find this tool particularly beneficial, emphasizing the importance of speed and structure in campaign launches. So, which of these tools is best? The truthful answer, there is no one-size-fits-all tool. Each tool serves different marketing needs. For flexibility, start with ChatGPT. For controlled content, consider Jasper. For fast visuals, choose Canva. If you operate within CRM, look at HubSpot Breeze. Zapier is your best bet if you struggle with workflow chaos. Adobe Firefly excels in creative generation, while SEMrush is crucial for effective ad campaigns. Remember, the biggest mistake marketers make is collecting tools without building systems. It's not about having a multitude of subscriptions, but creating an effective stack. If I were to suggest a smart AI marketing system, it would include ChatGPT for ideation, Jasper for brand production, Canva or Firefly for creative execution, and Zapier for automation. HubSpot Breeze would be essential for CRM-driven marketing, and SEMrush would ensure smooth ad management. This integrated approach is what empowers marketers to move faster. It's no longer about creativity alone, it's about creative systems. The ability to blend the right tools into a coherent workflow gives marketers a real edge in 2026. So, are you ready to build your marketing engine? Let's get started.